Muhammad Amin Solehin bin Mustafa.
My name is Muhammad Ruzaini bin Abdul Suki.
My name is Ahmad Fimi Azlan.
My name is Muhammad Nushad Abdul.
My name is Muhammad Faris Lutfi.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amin Solehin bin Mustafa, and I want to present about our project design, which is the aquaponic system. What is aquaponic system? Aquaponic is the combination of aquaculture and hydroponics. In aquaponics, we rear fish and plants together in one integrated soil system. The fish waste provides a food source for the plants, and the plants provide a natural filter for the water the fish live in. The combination of aquaculture is fish farming, and hydroponic is the plant growing without soil, where a closed loop recycling freshwater system between the fish and plant. For our project, to meet the requirement of the project task, our group is using Arduino coding system to control the moisturizer of the plant. Another function of our project is to control the water level in the fish tank and the water level in the container of the tank. Let me show you the function of our project. Let me show you. This is the fish tank, and this is the container of the plant, and this is the sensor of water level and the water moisturizer. Let me show you more about the function of the moisture sensor. This is the moisture sensor. When it touch the water, the sensor send the signal to the Arduino system and order the water pump to stop. And I show you the demo. The sensor touch the water and it completely stop. When I put out the sensor from water, it runs perfectly. That's all.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ruzaini bin Abdul Suki, and I will cover about our product quality. The first one is about our material. As for this frame, we use PVC pipe for our prototype, but for the actual product, we are gonna change it to steel. That is because the steel can withstand more pressure when the plant in here go bigger. As the next material, we are gonna use PVC pipe also for the container. That is for our prototype, but for the actual product, we still gonna use the PVC pipe, but in a bigger size. As for the board cover, the material used is plastic. That is because it is low in cost. This function of cover is to protect the water from splash and will be damaging the electronic part inside it. As for the pump, there is a diaphragm pump. It is smaller in size but great in power. The input-output for this pump is 6 liters per minute. By that, the total cost in making this prototype will be quite low, and we can sell this product later with affordable price to the customer. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Ahmad Fimi Azlan, and I will explain about the design product. The design product plays lead role defining the physical form of the product to best meet the customer need. For this product, there is some element that we incorporate, such as the aesthetic, the safety, and the color. For the aesthetic, we create a simple and compact design for easier to place it mostly in the outside door. And for the safety, we put the safety box to protect the Arduino and the battery from the water leaking. And for color, we choose the interesting color for attract the customer need. And for the mechanical design, we add the Arduino system to control the moisturize of the soil, and also the electrical and the control components such as the battery and the moisturize sensor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fazlul Ahmad Chidin, and I will show you the coding sketching for the smart aquaponic system. So for the first one, we will include the integer of value to read the value of the coding, which is from 0 to 1023. Then we put the integer of M sensor, which is the moisture sensor, and we put the pin into the 0 pin in the Arduino board. Then we set up the system, and we declare the output of the system, which is the power pump, and put it in the pin 13. Then we void loop the system. So in the void loop, we declare the integer of the moisture, and we read the moisture sensor using the analog read. And we can see that if we put the if else coding, which is the repetitive coding, if the moisture is greater than 700, it will trigger the power pump to on. And if the moisture is below 700, it will off the pump. So we can see that there is a serial print in to check the value of the sensor and to recognize it. Then the last step is we put the delay for it to take time for it to run the system, which is 400. That's all. We can see there is a problem, which is there is no semicolon. I have troubleshoot it, and we can compile it steadily. Then we can run and upload it to the Arduino board. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Muhammad Abdullah. If you wonder, beside me is our product, smart aquaponic system. The total cost for our product is 210 ringgit. Compare outside market, which are around 500 until 1000 ringgit. Okay, our product also complete with IoT system. For our target market is aquaculture, and this product also suitable for anyone who want generate a small business or the daily supply for themselves. That's all from me. Thank you.